again, you'll see it's not clinical. So I'm just going to check to see if there's advocates here. Just bring me to it. Okay, thanks. So again, another comfortable space. We have fish, we have toys, we have books, we have soft furniture. And we have these stars and flowers, and you would have seen them on the wall out there. You could leave messages for other people who are going to come. So it's sometimes I find it moving that kids are leaving. It's real kids that have been here, leaving messages for other kids that are going to be here. So yeah, so this is just another space where families spend time, and like I said, they're often here for hours at a time. So we try to make it comfortable and not like sitting in a hospital waiting room where you're all in rows in those chairs. So I mean, sometimes kids sleep here, like if it's nap time and they happen to be here.